All right, so we are reviewing for Flashback 6. We're going to identify three numbers with a square root between 3 and 4. So we're going to start by putting every one of these into our calculator. We're going to take the square root of each number. So the square root of 13. Then we're going to do the square root of 16. Then we're going to do the square root of 21. The square root of 10, the square root of 8, and finally we're going to do the square root of 11, and then we're going to go up to the top. We're looking for those numbers, or the three numbers with a square root between 3 and 4. So the first thing we have to do is come over here, and we have to look for a 3, because that's the first number, and decimals. That means it's between 3 and 4. So the square root of 13 is definitely between 3 and 4. The square root of 16 is equal to 4. That is not what we're looking for. We're looking for between, not equal to 3, not equal to 4. So let's look at the next one. The square root of 21 is 4.5. Well, that's not what we want either, because we want it between 3 and 4, which means the first number has to be a 3, followed by decimals. So we've got those two are not answers. Then let's look at the square root of 10. Starts with a 3, has decimals. That means the square root of 10 is between 3 and 4. This one starts with a 2, so that won't work. We're looking for a 3. And then finally, the square root of 11 is 3.3 and a lot of decimals, so that means that is between 3 and 4. So these are your three answers. All right, that's not hard at all.